Creating a website from scratch can seem like a daunting task, but with a little knowledge and some careful planning, it can be a relatively straightforward process. Here are the steps you'll need to take to create a proper website from scratch. Before that, welcome to Road to Info. Today we will learn how to create an amazing website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Road to Info for more amazing videos. Step number 1. Define your audience. Before you start building your website, it's important to have a clear understanding of who your target audience is. This will help you make design and content decisions that will appeal to your target audience. Step number 2. Choose a domain name. Your domain name is the address people will use to find your website. So it's important to choose a name that is easy to remember and reflects the content of your site. You can register your domain name through a domain registrar. Step number 3. Decide on a web hosting provider. Once you've registered your domain name, you'll need to choose a web hosting provider to host your site. There are many different options available, but make sure to choose one that offers the level of support and resources you need. Step number 4. Plan your site structure. Before you start building your site, it's important to have a clear idea of how your site will be structured. This includes deciding on the number of pages, the content that will be included on each page, and the navigation structure. Step number 5. Design and develop your site. With your site structure in place, you can begin designing and developing your site. You can use a website builder like Wix or Weebly, or you can design and develop your site using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Step number 6. Test and launch your site. Once your site is complete, it's important to test it thoroughly to make sure that everything is working properly. Once you're satisfied that everything is working as it should, you can launch your site. Step number 7. Promote your site. Once your site is live, it's important to promote it to attract visitors. This can include things like search engine optimization, social media marketing, and paid advertising. Step number 8. Maintain your site. Even after your site is live, it's important to continue maintaining it to ensure that it remains up to date and is running smoothly. This includes updating content, fixing bugs, and addressing any security issues that may arise. Here are some more details on each step. Number 1. Define your audience. This step is crucial in determining the design, layout, and content of your website. It will help you understand what your target audience wants and needs, and tailor your website accordingly. Consider factors such as demographics, interests, and pain points to get a better understanding of your audience. Number 2. Choose a domain name. Your domain name is a unique address that people will use to access your website, so it should be memorable and easy to spell. You can choose a, com, net, or go other top-level domain, TLD. Also, it's a good idea to check if the domain name is available before you register it. Number 3. Decide on a web hosting provider. Web hosting is a service that allows you to store your website's files on a server so that they can be accessed by people on the internet. There are many web hosting providers available, such as Bluehost, HostGator, and SiteGround. Be sure to choose a provider that offers a level of support and resources that meets your needs. Number 4. Plan your site structure. This step is about creating a blueprint for your website, including the number of pages, the content that will be included on each page, and the navigation structure. A good site structure will make it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for and will help your site rank well in search engines. Number 5. Design and develop your site. This step is about creating the visual look and feel of your website, as well as adding the functionality that you need. You can use website builders like Wix, Weebly, or Squarespace, or you can design and develop your site using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Number 6. Test and launch your site. Once you've built your site, it's important to test it thoroughly to make sure that everything is working properly. This includes testing all links, forms, and other interactive elements, as well as checking for broken links, spelling errors, and other issues. Once you're satisfied that everything is working as it should, you can launch your site. Number 7. Promote your site. Once your site is live, it's important to promote it to attract visitors. This can include things like search engine optimization, social media marketing, and paid advertising. Number 8. Maintain your site. Even after your site is live, it's important to continue maintaining it to ensure that it remains up to date and is running smoothly. This includes updating content, fixing bugs, addressing any security issues that may arise, and ensuring that your site is mobile friendly. By following these steps, you can create a professional website that will be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and useful to your target audience. Additionally, it's important to monitor the website's performance and make adjustments as needed. This includes analyzing website's analytics, user feedback, and making necessary changes. If this video helped you build your first website, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Road to Info, and hit the bell icon so every time we upload new content, you will be the first to know. Do like, comment, and share this video, and we will see you in another one. Thank you.